With cross-sells, we can show Shopify Smart Recommendations. This is a list of products that are popularly purchased or products within a collection. And this feature is only available on the cart page. One thing that um, I should add is that if you already have products assigned in your global cart cross-sells, these products will show as well as the Shopify Smart Recommendations. So with that being said, um, if we have limited our cross-sells, like right here, I have limited my cross-sells to show 5 products. But if we go back to the assign menu and head to global cart, I actually have 5 products. So these products will show and not the smart recommendations. But if I were to go ahead and increase that limit, then the remaining 3 cross-sells will be from the Shopify Smart Recommendations. So I've went ahead to make the change to the limit. And in order to activate the Smart Recommendations feature, uh, under the general settings, we scroll down to cart page and check the use auto-generated smart recommendations. Just like that. Then we'll go up and hit the save button. Once that's done, we can head to the store and we can check the cart page to see the smart recommendations included in our cross-sell shown there. If you're having any issues with the rendering of the smart recommendations, feel free to reach out to the support team at Crossell.